Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to disable all notifications on Instagram. Follow these simple steps to take control of your notifications and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience on the app. First, open your Android phone's settings. This can usually be found by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Once in settings, navigate to the apps section. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Instagram. Tap on Instagram to open its settings menu. Here, you will see various options related to the app. Next, tap on Notifications. This will take you to the notification settings specifically for Instagram. Here, you can choose which types of notifications you want to receive from the app. To disable all notifications, simply toggle off the option for Show Notifications. This will prevent Instagram from sending you any notifications, including likes, comments, and direct messages. By turning off notifications for Instagram, you can take a break from constant alerts and focus on using the app at your own pace. You can always go back and re-enable notifications at any time if you change your mind. Remember, it's important to find a balance between staying informed and avoiding distractions. Disabling notifications on Instagram can help you maintain that balance and prioritize your time effectively. That's it for this tutorial on how to disable all notifications on Instagram. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.